This is my desire to honor you. Lord, with all my heart, I'll worship you. All I have within me, I give you praise. And all that I adore is in you. Lord, I give you my heart, I give you my soul. I live for you alone. Every breath that I take, every moment I'm awake, Lord, have your way.